right, let's walk through representing and, or, and not statements in symbolic form and in English. So I think it's important that we really recognize not only what these look like symbolically, but also if we're just writing them out, let's say in like real people words. So let's go ahead and jump in. So first, we're going to do one example of each. So when we think about the and is known as a conjunction, and the symbol for that, if you see, it looks kind of like a capital A missing the crossbar. So if you see the symbol, right, this upside down V, if you will, it means and. So looking at the problem, the number 3 is odd, is our P statement. Our Q statement is the number 6 is even. So to show that symbolically of P and Q, it's written there on the screen, right? We've got this upside down V or the capital A missing the crossbar. Now, what does that look like in English? Well, pretty simple, right? You start with P. The number 3 is odd, and the number 6 is even. So really, by forming this in English form, right, we're just putting these two statements together with the conjunction and. So you can see the symbolic form on the left with the English form on the right. Now, with or is known as a disjunction, and you can see it's represented by the symbol, which just looks like a capital V. So it's the upside down version of and. Now, you can also think about and, because and is an A, that's why it looks like an A, and then or is the opposite of that, so it's flipped. So thinking through, our P statement, Bob drinks Diet Pepsi, and our Q statement, Bob eats chicken tenders. So if we wanted an or statement here, we would have P or Q, known by the symbolic V in the middle. So that's how we would read the statement P or Q. In English form then, we would simply say Bob drinks Diet Pepsi or eats chicken tenders. Because both of these are Bob, I don't need to repeat his name in the second part of this. If it was someone else, we would want their name to be in there. But Bob drinks Diet Pepsi or eats chicken tenders. The key there is or because we have the symbol of V. Our last one is the negation, right, or the not piece. And it's this lovely little like squiggly thing in front of our letter. So if P statement is the number 6 is even, then the negation of that would be not P. That's how we would read that symbol, right? We've got this lovely wavy thing, not P. So that's simply the number 6 is not even, right? We negate the statement. Now, when you're talking about negation, the statement and the negation of the statement, one of them has to be false. So you can't have a statement and the negation of a statement and have them both be true. That doesn't work. So you can see this happens. Our statement of P, the number 6 is even, is a true statement. When I negate that statement and then have the number 6 is not even, that statement is false. So this holds true that the statement and the negation of the statement, one is true, one is false. All right, now my last problem here. We have it will rain today as a P statement, and our Q statement is I will wear rain boots. So what does the following symbol mean? So if you're just given the two statements, P and Q, and then you're given this symbolically written statement, how can we translate this into English? Well, what is first? Look at that first symbol. We have P, then we have an A without a crossbar, right? That means and. Then we have the negation of the Q statement. So the P statement, it will rain today, and the negation of Q. So it will rain today, and I will not wear rain boots. So we negate the second statement. So really when you're thinking about whether you're going from English to symbols or vice versa, just make sure you're keeping in line of what is and, what is or, what is the negation, and how do they all fit together. Thanks.